media.
In the interest of time, I will just read out what I had prepared in the report, such that afterwards I will circulate the report for each one to take. Then you listen carefully. Handover report by Deputy RDC, Peter Mawerere. I've started now reading. I wish to take this golden opportunity to thank most sincerely His Excellency of Uganda People's Defence Force for having posted me for a tour of service to Kayunga District local government as Deputy Resident Commissioner with effect from 29th March 2022 up to 5th October 2023. I also wish to thank the Minister for Presidents, Honorable Babire Babalanda, Haji Nusuka Kande, the Permanent Secretary, Mr. Faruk Chirunda, the Deputy Press Secretary to His Excellency the President, Honorable Freddy Nkai Mbagadi, Regional Supervisor for Central Region at the RDC Secretariat, Kampala, for the strategic guidance and the mentorship which has enabled me to perform my duties to the satisfaction of His Excellency the President. Also on a special note, I thank the members of the District Security Committee, i.e. RDC, LC5, CAO, DPC, DISO, District Community Liaison Officer, OCID, District Crime Intelligence Officer, for the spirit of teamwork which has enabled us to handle issues of land wrangles and resolve them amicably as per the presidential directives of promotion of peaceful coexistence between landlords and the Vivanja occupants. As for my comrade, the incoming Deputy President District Commissioner, Madam Kaveruka Mariam, I wish to inform you that there are pending cases of family land wrangles which we have referred to the Administrator General / Public Trustee for mediation between the administrators of the deceased estates with a view of resolving all issues amicably as per their designated mandate. There are also some land matters where we have advised their complainants to seek legal redress from courts of law after failure to agree on issues of land ownership mediation between district security committees as per the various correspondences on the files which we shall handle to you. Last but not the least, I also take this opportunity to sincerely thank the district political leadership headed by the Governor Mwonge Andrew and the district technical team headed by the Chief Administrative Officer Mr. Batambuze Abud for the highest cooperation they have accorded to me to execute my duties to the satisfaction of the general public. Below are the office equipments which I'm handing over to the incoming Deputy RDC. Office desk 1 executive armchair, 1 file cabinet of 4 chambers, 2 sofa set chairs, 1 visitor's bench, 2 office chairs, 1 president's portrait, desk document tray, and 1 office stamp for the Deputy Resident Commissioner. With these few remarks, I warmly welcome you to Kayunga District and wish you the best in your tour of service. Signed, Peter Mawerere, Deputy Resident Commissioner, who is outgoing. So, without wasting time, I want you to come here. I hand over the instrumental power. You sit here. Other remarks we shall be making there when you have taken. Now, that is the handover report, and this is the stamp, official stamp, which gives you power to execute all what His Excellency expects of you. Then the rest are these ones we are seeing around. Yes. Then these are the keys for the office.
Nsanyusa okubalaba basebe ne bannyabo. Nze Mariam Kaberuka, Deputy RDC omupya we Kayunga. Nva Luweero, badde Deputy RDC we Luweero, okulaba nga nsiimiddwa ate nzije mpeerezeeko ebugerere ewa Mugerere ate nze ndi webulemeezi gye banzaala, ndi mulemeezi yennyini era omulyannaka nti ekisa kya Mukama kinkulembere tusobole okusigala nga tutambulira wamu era neyama okusigala nga ndi ttiimu kubanga eno send-off gye bakukoledde endaga teamwork ebadde wano era nsuubiza Mukama ajja kuntaasa ntambulire wamu nabo. Mukama abawo omukisa neyanziza.